Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. My second withdrawal proof of Beurax Company. My name is Muhammad. In this video, I'll show you my second withdrawal proof of Beurax Company. Okay, I have already done my first withdrawal in previous video, as you have seen already. This is my second withdrawal proof. Okay, have you see my account balance is what? 1.12. Okay, minimum withdrawal is $1. Okay, using perfect money. Okay, you want to see the details of minimum withdrawal, everything. Okay, then you can watch my other tutorial of this company, Beurax Company. Okay, that tutorial link you will find into the description of this video. Now just I am showing you how to withdraw, and this is my second withdrawal proof. Just I want to show you, this is my second withdrawal proof of Beurax Company. Okay, just click here account activity and click here to withdraw. Okay, select payment method. Okay, I have set it perfect money. For withdrawal, just click here and type amount. Okay, 1.12. okay, just click here to withdraw successful, as you will see here. Okay, my account balance is 0. Okay, now click here financial operation and withdrawal history. Okay, my first withdrawal have done on 21 January, and this is my second withdrawal. Okay, and this withdrawal will take about approximately 8 hours to complete. Okay, and this will be also complete. Okay, minimum 6 hours, 8 hours. Okay, but withdrawal time is 3 business days, from 1 to 3 business days. Okay, as I have applied yesterday, okay, it's now completed. Okay, as you will see here, I have applied on to 27th January 2021. Okay, it will also complete it approximately 6 to 8 hours. Okay, and Beurax terms and condition of withdrawal complete date from 1 to 3 business days, working days. Okay, and it will complete about 6 to 8 hours. Okay, this is my previous withdrawal. I have already applied 21st January, and this is my current withdrawal, second withdrawal, 27th January. Okay, and I will show also you here into perfect money. Okay, this is my withdrawal proof, and here is also two proofs, $1.12. Okay, this is my first withdrawal, 21st January, and this is my second withdrawal, 28th January. Okay, I will receive onto this withdrawal from my perfect money 28th January. Okay, it takes approximately 8 hours. Okay, thanks.